What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be fishing the marina. I haven't been here in a while, and that is because I never catch fish here, but this time I'm going to try it out. Fishing has been pretty good lately, so I'm going to go ahead and try it out, see if I can catch any fish. Let's get to it. Alright everybody, so I'm going to be starting off right here in this area as I always do. I'm going to be starting off in this cove. It's not too windy today, which is a good thing. Time check is currently 5:23 in the afternoon. Sometimes I get bites here, sometimes I don't. It just depends. The fishing has been pretty good lately, so I thought I would give this area a shot. So see if we can catch any, guys. Water temp is pretty good. It's 100 degrees right now, so it's a little hot, but it's kind of cloudy, so it makes it pretty good. Guys, so basically these past few days there's been a bunch of clouds, a bunch of like storms rolling in. Well, not necessarily storms, there's a ton of clouds coming in, guys. It kind of cleared up today. You know, there's still some clouds around, but that's been making the fishing pretty good, guys. I've been pretty successful in catching fish due to this weather. Hopefully we can land some today, guys. I haven't fished this area in a while. I'm getting thumped, guys. It was like very weird. Do I have them? Please tell me I have them. Oh my god, it was like a small fish. I mean, like probably super small, not even joking. I have been fishing for like what, 30 minutes, 20 minutes? I have no idea. Tiny fish, guys. I wasn't even sure if I had them. That was pretty funny. Not bad. Hopefully we can land one though, guys. Like I said, this area is kind of hard to fish. It's a good sign that I'm using the right bait. It's just finding them is a problem. That's a good sign though, guys. See if we can catch one though. What is that? Oh, that's a nice one, guys. That is a nice one. He absolutely annihilated my bait. Come on, buddy. Oh my god. Get in the net, get in the net. Yes, guys. Oh my god, chill, chill, chill. That is a long, skinny fish. That feels good, guys. That's probably about a good 2.5 pounder. Not a bad fish. This fish was running with it. I'm like, no freaking way I have a fish. And sure enough, not a bad fish, guys. All the fish that I have been catching lately have been about 1 pound, pound and a half. It's been pretty hard to catch a decent sized fish, but wow, guys, we did it. Not a bad fish. Go ahead and let this fish go. Fought very hard, very aggressive. There he goes, guys. Hopefully we can catch another one. Let's get to it. There we go, guys. Second fish of the day. Not a bad one. Another decent one, guys. Honestly. Not bad, not bad. Get over here, buddy. In the net. They've been so like aggressive lately, guys. For some reason they've been like splashing around and like bouncing around like crazy. Like they've been so aggressive. I don't know what's going on. I think it's the weather that's making them crazy. Smaller than the last one. Not a bad one, guys. About 1.5 pounds. Usually what I've been catching is about this size, guys. They've all been this size, but luckily we caught like a 2 pounder right now. Not a bad fish, guys. Still a pretty good fish. Go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes. Fought really hard. So far so good, guys. I'm not even at the end of this cove. Usually I finish this cove without even catching a fish. This is a very good sign, guys. Hopefully we can catch some more. Let's get to it. Guys, these bass have been crushing this bait. I am not even feeling any bites. I am just seeing my line move. That means they're very aggressive right now. They're very active this afternoon, which is a good sign. I would not doubt it if we catch some more because these fish are very active right now. Hopefully we can catch some more, guys. Maybe even a bigger one. I know that might be asking for a lot considering that I've only been catching like 1 pounders, 1.5, but hopefully we can run into maybe another 2.5 or 3 pounder, guys. Right as I was talking. Oh my god, that's like a 2.5. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Don't break my rod tip, buddy. Here we go. Barely hooked. Come on, get in the net. That's about a 2.5, guys. Literally as I was just talking. my gosh, they are crushing this bait, guys. They are crushing this SENKO. It is absolutely insane. I had literally just not caught that other fish not too long ago. As I was just saying, might be asking for a lot to catch another 2.5, and now out comes this guy. He fought so hard, guys. Oh my gosh, not bad. Crazy. Go ahead and let this fish go. Wow. There goes the fish, guys. That's what I love about this area, that these fish, most of the fish here that eat are not that small. I don't know if we're gonna be able to catch another one, guys. This has been a good day so far. Let's keep fishing. Oh guys, I have a fish on. I was trying to like, oh my god, it's a decent one. Not bad. I was trying to like maneuver my kayak, and out of nowhere this guy came. Sorry about the wind. Get in the net, buddy. Oh my gosh, guys, 4th fish of the day. Not a bad one, not a giant, but I'll take it, guys. He fought really hard. Guys, I didn't even have to set the hook on this little guy. About the same size as the last one, I think. No, the last one was a 2.5 pounder. The one before that one was about 1.5 or 1 or so. About the same size, guys. Fought really hard. Came out of nowhere. I was trying to move my kayak or something. I have no idea what I was doing, and this guy came out of nowhere. Pretty good fish, guys. Go ahead and let this fish go. 4th fish of the day. Not bad. There he goes. I have no idea we're gonna be able to catch another one because I am at the end of the cove already. I'm already about finished with the spot that I was going to fish. It's pretty windy. It's getting pretty windy, guys. So I have no idea I'm gonna land another fish. Hopefully I do, but we'll see. Oh, that was a terrible cast. I'll go with it either way. Could be a fish here by this branch. Oh, I was right. There you go, guys. 5th fish of the day. Feels like a small one. He's fighting super hard. Oh my god, he just like took my rod in the water. Holy crap, what is this guy doing? Get over here, buddy. These fish are fighting so aggressive today, guys. I cannot believe how aggressive they are. That fish like took my rod in the water. He's a chunky little guy. Not too long, but small and chunky. There you go, guys. 5th fish of the day. All of a sudden the bite just turned on. I went through a whole cove, didn't get a single bite, and out of nowhere it just turned on. This guy is like, I mean, he's short and chunky, pure muscle, guys. This guy fought so hard. That's what I love about largemouth. They fight so hard, and smallmouth also. Not a bad fish, guys. 5th fish of the day. Amazing. Go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes. Back to feed some more. I have no idea we're gonna be able to land another one. If we do, I am surprised. I mean, the sun is going down. We only have 1 cove left. It could happen, but the chances are slim, guys. All right, everybody, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 5 fish in total, which is crazy. Last time I also caught 6, which is insane, guys. I lost 2 today. Wasn't too salty about those 2. They were small fish. Pretty good day after all, guys. Not disappointed, guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like on this video, comment, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll catch y'all next time on JG Fishes.